Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking obvious causes when Wi-Fi is missing in Windows 10. Check airplane mode and any physical wireless switch on your laptop. Open Settings and verify Network and Internet shows Wi-Fi settings available. Next, open Device Manager and confirm the network adapter appears without an error icon. If the adapter is missing, reboot your device and check BIOS to ensure wireless is enabled at startup. Note any recent Windows updates installed before the issue began. Keep a note of your laptop model and Windows 10 build for follow-up. If the adapter appears but Wi-Fi is still missing, update drivers next. Open Device Manager, right-click the wireless adapter and select Update Driver. If updates fail, uninstall the adapter and choose Scan for hardware changes to reinstall it automatically. Open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset. Then run ipconfig/flushtons, ipconfig/release, and ipconfig/renew before you restart. You can also use Settings Network and Internet Network Reset to restore network defaults. Restart the computer and verify Wi-Fi return. If PC steps fail, check external network hardware and advanced options. Power cycle the router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Log into the router admin page to confirm SSID broadcasting and 4 GHz or 5 GHz channel settings. Test connectivity with a USB Wi-Fi adapter to isolate a faulty internal radio. Consider rolling back recent Windows updates or using System Restore to recover a working driver state. As a last step, contact your ISP or laptop manufacturer support for hardware repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.